Minorities are doing well in Bangladesh, but the Hindu-Buddhist Christian Welfare Front has claimed that the deposed Sheikh Hasina is trying to spread false anti-Bangladesh propaganda by giving her asylum in India. At this time, they also called on the Indian government to refrain from this act. On Thursday, December 5 afternoon in Rangpur, they made this demand from the demonstration and rally against the anti-Bangladesh campaign, attack on the High Commission, flag burning by the Indian media and some fanatical politicians. Partha Saha, organizing secretary of Rangpur district of Front, said, "We Hindus in Bangladesh are doing well with peace. We want to inform the Indian citizens that we Hindus are peacefully coexisting in Bangladesh. You should not try to spread any political." The procession started from the city's Grand Hotel intersection, moved from the Press Club Square and again reached the Grand Hotel intersection. Rangpur District BNP convener Saiful Islam and member secretary Anachar Rahman Laku spoke in solidarity with the Front.